So be thankful you still have a job. Be thankful kasama mo yung pamilya mo. Be thankful kasi meron ka pang bahay o bubong sa ibabaw ng ulo mo. Be thankful kasi may pagkain ka pa. Makakain ka pa ng 3 times a day. Be thankful may mga kaibigan ka. Be thankful kasi you can still go to work. Be thankful kasi may income na pumapasok sa'yo. Be thankful kasi God gives you a lot of things na kailangan mo. Okay? So be thankful starts with being grateful. Okay? Appreciate what you have and trust me, soon you'll grow more. Okay? Be someone and help someone.